What's up, guys? Welcome back to the home gardening channel. I wanted to do a quick video on what a mealybug infestation looks like and when it's time to kind of step in and do something about it. So this is a bell pepper plant that I grew from seeds of peppers that I bought at Aldi's that were organic. And this pepper plant produces really nicely for me. It's been doing great. I've had it for I think over a year, and it produces 10-15 peppers at a time. Right now they're little because it just came off of a big production, but look, it's loaded with flowers. This plant does beautifully for me. So the mealybugs are actually, let me see if I just actually sprayed them with Castile soap and water, which is what one of my line. Okay, here we go. So you guys see underneath the leaves how those little white bugs there. Now they get over here too, and they become a problem. They get in the young shoots, and they have a symbiotic relationship with ants. See, there's more. Where these guys, I don't know if they actually suck the juice out of the leaves, and then the ants, I think, eat their poop, which has the juice from the leaves in it. It's probably sweet. I know that's the case with aphids. There's more. And I'm pretty sure that's the case with these guys. So what happens is you'll have a plant like this. Like this plant is fairly healthy. I've treated it before. And what happens is you come to the trunk of the plant and you'll see something that looks like this with a lot of dirt, like this dirt right here on the trunk. And I think I'm not sure if the ants carry it or that's actually the ant poop, but you'll see those at the trunk of the plant. And then you'll see the ants going up and down and working with mealybugs. So what I do is I get rid of the ants by adding borax and sugar water, and I'll have a recipe for that solution somewhere. But see, I already put it here. I put borax and sugar water in the trunk to get rid of the ants. Which, if you get rid of the mealybugs and you don't get rid of the ants, you're still gonna have a problem, because somehow the ants may end up finding mealybugs or something, they come back. So you get rid of the ants with borax water and borax sugar water, or you could buy the taro product, which is pretty safe for plants. I've used it before and I haven't had a problem. Now I make my own. I learned how to make it. It's just sugar water and borax. So basically I apply that there. That gets rid of the ants. And then I deal with the mealybugs by taking 5 tablespoons of a Castile soap and putting it into a gallon of water. And then I have one of these sprayers and I just put it inside the sprayer. I go around and I spray under the leaves. Anywhere I see the mealybugs, like right here, you guys can see there's a bunch. Like right there, I already sprayed. See, there we go. Those little white bugs, those are all the mealybugs, and they're basically sucking the juice out of your plant. So you wanna make sure you address them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you liked it, and I'll see you really soon on the next one.